Hi everyone, this is week number 14. This week we were discussing several different topics. The first topic we discussed was adding meta tags to our websites so that search engines like Google can find our websites fairly easily and also allow users to be able to access our websites through those search engines a lot more efficiently. Another topic that we discussed was also some tools for web and project management. And then also we took a look at Google Analytics. Because my blog is obviously a WordPress.com, the analytics was not something that I could implement, seeing as I am still using the free feature on WordPress. However, I will show you some of the things I did take a look at. The meta tags conversation this week was a little confusing to me. I did locate on my WordPress.com application that I could add tags to my WordPress, and I just went in here and tried to add some things that I thought would be, efficient tags. However, I couldn't seem to get them to show up on the actual website. Let me pull up my blog for this week and I'll show you what I mean. So I'm just not seeing those tags anywhere listed on the website. I did go through and see a couple other blogs and everything, and I'll show you one of the examples that I had. It was one of these posts that one of the blogs that I follow, and she does have these tags listed down here. I don't know if it's just because I'm using the free feature or what, but I just couldn't seem to get those added onto mine. So unfortunately, that wasn't something that I could implement this week. However, I did find that there were several of the tools that were listed in the class topics that I did find very useful. This week, I did go ahead and download. I'll show you here in just a moment. I did download Firebug. This is the first time that I've used this particular feature, and I did think that it was very cool. I'll bring that up on my website right now. And what was cool about using Firebug is that when I actually click into the head profile, as was discussed in the meta tag section, under the head profile, I can actually see where WordPress has gone in and put the meta links that automatically occur in my content structure. So I thought that was very cool, and using Firebug was very nice for being able to see my HTML coding. Another feature that I used was the Delicious.com. I think this is going to be an excellent tool because I can save links to websites that I frequent often so that it's not something that I have to type it into the web address every time. I can pull them up right from here. And then another thing that I'm actually experimenting with is the Dropbox.com. And while my computer is running a little bit slow in the uploading of it, I actually was able to download it on my Galaxy Nexus. And so this was a screenshot of one of the screens for the Dropbox.com that I have now on my phone. And I think that that's going to be very nice because anytime that I take pictures or download files, I can actually view them on different computers and on my mobile device. So I could take my information wherever I go, and I don't have to continuously send myself emails, and I am famous for that. Anytime I have a new homework assignment or anything, I'm constantly emailing it to myself so that if I leave my home computer, I can actually pull them up on an outside computer, and it's just a little bit hectic in that respect, so I thought that Dropbox.com was going to be very excellent for utilizing those. Obviously, because I couldn't seem to get the tags to work, I couldn't really figure out a way to make that more effective for my users to be brought into my websites. However, the tools, I think, will help me manage my project a little bit better. I'll be able to frequent the same sites that I have for similar topics on my blog so that every week I can just go ahead and go into those sites automatically and update with any pictures that I find. And then with Dropbox.com, anything that I find on my mobile device, I can automatically upload to my home computer. And with Delicious and Firebug will be able to let me see my HTML coding, and I think that that'll be very nice for making changes to my website. Other than that, I hope everybody has a great week.